Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is March 28th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by about 3.5 points to 33.35 per contract. All in all, futures have slipped overnight. You can see they put a little bit of a top in right around 2 o'clock in the morning, and they've been rolling over ever since. But nonetheless, they're not all that much lower than the flat line. So we want to watch this market pretty closely today. Yesterday we did have a pretty big rally on our hands despite the markets basically finishing flat. We had the big gap down and then a recovery. Today we'll see how this settles out. Today is going to be a very, very important trading day. All right. Looking over at some stocks in the news, that's where we're going to try to make some money. First stock we're going to take a look at is Red Hat. RHT is the ticker symbol. Stock is catching a very, very good bid today. It's trading at $86.43. Closed at $82.20 last night. All in all, when I look at this name, I have to think around the 88 level, you hit very, very good resistance. This is a new all-time high, but again, the stock gets very stretched and extended around the 88 level. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I would not be doing anything here at this point in time. But nice pop for Red Hat before the opening bell. Next, we're going to take a look at DRI, which is Darden Restaurants. This is the parent company, I believe, of Olive Garden. Right now, the stock is trading at $78.75, closed at $75.58. So, all in all, good little uptick here. We'll see how it plays out today. I'm going to give the stock the upside bias to a little over 79 bucks. I don't know if it's going to go much past that, but if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, there's not a lot to do here either. So sit tight. We'll look for pattern once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. Next up, we're going to take a look at MKC, which is McCormick. This is the spice maker stock right now. Looks to be trading at 100 bucks. Again, no volume behind the move. So closed at 101.36. We'll see where it opens once the opening bell rings. But this will be in play today. So keep it on the radar. American Airlines looks like it's in the news today as well. Looks like they took a stake in China Southern Airlines. So we'll see how that plays out right now. The stock is up a little bit on the news. Closed at 41.74. Now it's trading at 42.04. So little uptick there. I'm not sure I'm seeing a lot of upside in American at the moment. If you take a look at ZNH, which is China Southern Airlines, you'll see that that stock right now is trading up a little bit as well. So we'll see how that plays out a little later today. Let's take a look at Tesaro. This is not the oil refinery. This is the drug maker, and it looks like they have an ovarian cancer drug that was, I believe, approved or got a positive viewing. Either way, you can check out the news for yourself. The stock is trading decently higher, closed at 156.73, trading at 166.74 now. So that's a pretty good move, $10 move in Tesaro. And all in all, when I look at this name, right now, I still think there could be a little bit more upside to go, but not a whole lot more, because I think a lot of this news is already baked into the cake. When you look at a monthly chart, you've had that big parabolic move, then the reversal. So, normally it fiddles and settles out somewhere in the middle, and that looks like what is happening right now. But either way, great move this morning. Stock trading at 166.50. Not much I'm looking to do with it here, but we will keep it on the radar for later. Let's take a look at Snapchat. Looks like Facebook is coming in with some competing services on some camera and looks like some storybook features. Either way, stock right now trading at $23.30. Closed yesterday at $23.83. So you're getting a little downtick there in Snapchat, and we'll see how that plays out today. If you take a look at Facebook, Facebook is the new behemoth on the street. Stock trading this morning at $140.50, just up a little bit from the 140.32 close yesterday. Let's take a look at Carnival Cruise Line. Not sure if their earnings are out yet, but I do know that they will be reporting. So I'm not seeing anything on my wire, But keep Carnival Cruise on the radar as they will be coming out with numbers shortly, and we'll see how that stock reacts once the opening bell rings. So we have all these names out here and more. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and you'll see everything that we are doing there. Let's move over and look at the gold market today. Gold futures trading up 1.5. Right now they're trading at 1257.20. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see that that is trading at 119.74, closed at 119.53. Gold has been very, very strong as of late, especially with the weaker dollar. So we'll see how that plays out today. If you're looking over at the crude oil market, crude is getting a bid today. We have oil up 52 cents to $48.25 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, you'll see that's trading at $10.13, up from $10.04 where it closed yesterday. So oil's hanging in there. Gold is up just a touch, and we'll see how this market plays out today. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2017. We're going to look to keep that going right now into the end of the month and ultimately into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.